Hello, people. As of yesterday, I was watching this film called Red. Now, Red is a Telugu movie starring Ram Potaneni, Amrita Iyer, Malvika Sharma, among others, and Niveta Peturaj. These are all, South Indian stars. So, I mean, the most remarkable thing what I found about this film was in the opening credits, it opens with a female star name, Niveta Peturaj. So I found that quite. It's it's a step forward, yeah. And considering women, especially female stars, they work literally sometimes twice as hard with all their makeup and dresses and everything, and still they get paid half the amount of the lead actor of the film. So yeah, so the movie Red is all about these twins that have been separated at birth, and then a murder gets committed. So it's committed by one of the twins, but the other twin is caught, and it is, I don't know, yeah, the movie begins somewhere and it then goes off into, it becomes like a murder mystery, and it's not even a mystery because we are graphically shown how this twin so conveniently goes and kills someone. They make it sound like, you know and if you have free time, you have nothing better to do, you can just go and do something like that, which is, that's a very wrong message to give to the audience. Yeah, I mean, no, I'll say this because the twin who commits the murder is this gunda type, but he's portrayed as this very nice gunda, like, I don't know, yeah. I'm fed up of such storylines, seriously, sorry. So this is a very honest review, as you can see. And the female stars are real eye candy, they're very simple and sweet, and you all can check out the Instagram pages also. Malvika Sharma, Amrita Iyer spelled with Aiyer. Amrita Iyer looks just like, a lot like Samantha Prabhu. And then this third star, so Niveta Peturaj, not Niveta Thomas, is another Niveta. So really, people, do try and check it out. It's called Red. It's on Netflix. And Ram Potaneni, he's got a very sensible face. So I don't know why he does all these Ustad, these Shankar Dada type films, because I don't know, it just doesn't suit him, I feel. I don't know. So anyway, do and do try and watch it. It's called Red and it is on Netflix. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.